Good morning. It's December 18th and I'm so excited because it's a half day at school. Yay. I like them as much as the kids do. Indeed. All right, but let's get on with starting with Soft Squares Box A today. We had, which we didn't fill in yesterday, was day 3 with our project bag for the coin purse and everything in it and all the extra accessories. Gave it a total, when looking it up, if buying all the everything separately, $27, which brought, well, let's go ahead because we had yesterday. We'll add that in there too. The Egyptian cotton and the courthouse steps foundation paper piecing packet of 42 squares in there. More if you get on a copy machine. And that came to about $26. So subtracting that from our total, that brings us down to $97 that we have left to break even. And that brings our total value in the box that we've received so far as $98 from the original $185. So, and it's not even halfway through yet. Got a couple of days before that happens. So let's get on with box A, present for today, number 5, day 5. And guess what it feels like? I'm hoping it is. I'll be so excited if it is. The wall hanger to hold our patchability up with. So let's get this open and find out. Okay. Oh, it's a couple of nails. You know what that means? Absolutely. You asked for it, you got it, Toyota. Seriously, you really did ask for it. Pair this with day 17. So, look at this. Look at this. And she even had my name on this one on the outside. She knew what box to put it in. My goodness. There it is. And there's the little hardware to do it and to hang our patchabilities. I'm so excited for this. Who gets? I do. This is so cool. And look, she knew it was my box. How did that happen? She's like Santa. Thank you, Lynn. I love it. It is fantastic. Oops, now I've just piled it all in the wrong places. There we go. I can't wait to get started on that. So now let's talk about box B. Box B, we've already made it into the red. And in fact, in the last 2 days, we had the 3 coordinating fabrics. I said 36, but 13 3 times makes 39. So it's 39. So that brings us to the positive in the red of 19 plus yesterday's patchability project bag. That was hard, but man, I did come with a figure of 35-ish dollars. It may be more if it is. I'm sorry, Lynn. That brings us in the red of 54 and brings us right up to day 18, and it is so cute because it looks like Santa. Do it this way. If it hang down, I look like Santa. And it feels like, oh wait, that was B-Box I just did. I did B-Box first. I'm sorry, B-Box. B-Box was this. Because there's my Santa on there. This doesn't have the Santa. This is day 5. This is the A-Box here. Boy, am I messing up. Okay, well, let's just get on with this. This is the A-Box, and it feels like a mini project bag. A very mini project bag. So let's open this up and take a look at it. Okay, I'll tell you what, that probably won't be the last time I mess up. Keeping all this straight. But the figures for the A and the B box were correct as far as I've been calculating. So, let's see. Let's take a look. What do you see? You see a project bag in there? I think I do. I think that's exactly what this is. It is a project bag. It is a wonderful project bag. Oh my god, cute little project bag. And it comes with directions in it. Oh, how cool. It's got little notions in the bag. A seam roller. Oh, I wonder if it'll work on wrinkles here. Oh, look at how cute. Oh, and a little bottle for liquid starch. Quilter's Moonshine. I love that. That is great. Oh, an electric seam ripper. Oh my goodness, Phil, this is so cool. And awesome. Some small scissors. Shh. I don't know why I'm being quiet. I'm so excited. Notions are the little helpers every quilter needs. Most of these small items come from my friend Vicky at Creative Notions. Thank you, Vicky at Creative Notions, for being a part of this Soft Squares box. I love her notions and carry many of her items in my shop. This is wonderful. Now, we have directions to make Quilter's Moonshine, which is a liquid starch. I don't know if I'm allowed to say this out loud. I think it's a simple, it looks like one that I already knew about. You can get right off the internet. I would think it's okay because it is gluten-free. So, because it uses vodka, cheap vodka. You gotta use cheap vodka though. But nice. Yes. That's why it's in a project bag. Because these are used on projects. I'm gonna have to come up with a really good name for my electric seam ripper now. Oh my goodness. All right. Now let's go. Can it get any better? I don't think so. But we still got Missouri Star, day 18 to open up here. Missouri Star, going back over there, we had, the last time we looked at everything, the wrist slap is where we have to go back for the wrist slap and well, actually the tin can, I made an adjustment on that because we didn't have as many things inside the can as one that I had found. So I did reduce that price a little bit. So we were in the red by $62 after that. The wrist slap magnet pin holder and the suction cup magnet pin holder, I gave a combined value of 15, 9, and 6 respectively. So that gave us in the red to 77. And then the MSQ LED lights, $12 because they have their similar logo one with the Chuck the Duck ones, and they're the exact same price, $12. So I gave them $12. So we're in the plus by 89 over our $200 investment. Actually, the $199.95, but you know, it's a nickel. Okay, so let's open. This is kind of squishy. I don't know. It's big. It's a little on the heavy side, so I'm having trouble with it. Although for most people, it probably wouldn't be that heavy. I don't know. Oh. Okay, put that aside. Whoa! I saw this this morning. Winter Stardust. I think this is the one that Natalie's doing. Whoa, and there's going to be a video on it Friday. I think this is it. Oh my goodness. But you know, there's the pattern. But you know what? This is why I thought it was, oh, it's a puzzle. It's a puzzle piece. But they gave us the pattern too. Isn't that cool? If you love a good puzzle, this is going to be awesome. Oh, something to do over those cold winter afternoons where you can't do anything, go anywhere. Yes! This is going to be beautiful. I love it. Oh, it's equally as good. I just love, love, love it. Well, happy December 18th. Go have a wonderful Thursday. Find your joy and spread it around. Bye now.